Yes, hi, hello everyone. Good evening. This is Chandrasekhar, Maths faculty. Let us start today properties of triangles, class 11, sine rule. So, properties of triangle. Properties of triangle. First of all, what is meant by a triangle? A triangle is a simple closed figure formed by three-line segment. Otherwise, a polygon with made up of three-line segment is called a triangle. Triangle ABC. ABC. What are the things and elements in the triangle? Three sides and three angles: AB, BC, and AC. Let us see now how to prove sine rule. So first take it as a circumcircle. The circle is passing through three vertices, triangle ABC. So now you observe here property of circle. What is the property of circle here? You can take a constant radius from here to here. That is a capital R. Let it be seen now. Here triangle ABC. This place can be represent the angle A. The angle represent here at the subtended angle at the center 2A. It is a circle property. What is the circle property says here? Angle subtended at the center equal to double the angle subtended angle at remaining part of the circle. So it is a circle property. Now it will be taken as a perpendicular to BC. So now body is a triangle. It is a perpendicular to BC. Triangle, in triangle, let us see now, consider triangle BOD is a right angle triangle. So let us see vertex opposite to side BC equal to represent length equal to A. Similarly, you can take the vertex B opposite to side AC can be represent length equal to small b. So same way you can consider C opposite vertex to length of AB equal to small c. So now you observe here what is the length of BD in triangle OBD. BD equal to length of BD equal to A by 2. Similarly, you observe here it is a 2A, the represent A here, sine A. Let us take now sine A, sine of A. You know the trigonometric rule, sine of A, opposite side by hypotenuse. Side opposite by hypotenuse. So here what is the angle opposite PD? A by 2. So small a by 2. And what is the hypotenuse here? Capital R. Let us see now sine A equal to. So now observe sine A equal to sine A by small a equal to 1 by 2R. So similarly you can prove it as. So now it will be take, it is a perpendicular here. The distance of here, it will be take some other letter. Now it will be B by 2. So similarly you can prove that sine B by small b equal to 1 by 2R and sine C by small c equal to 1 by 2R. So the conclude that sine rule, sine A by small a, sine B by small b, sine C by small c, the constant is 1 by 2R. The same way you can write the same formula, sine rule formula. Small a by sine A equal to small b by sine b equal to small c by sine c equal to 2R reciprocally. So it is the sine rule. Thank you.